Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this really cute natural hairstyle. And for this style, I'm going to be installing my go-to ponytail from BetterLength. This is their 3B3C kinky curly ponytail in 16 inches. Y'all, I wear this non-stop and I've had it for like 2 years now. And I'm starting this look off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. So first, I'm just doing a part down the middle of my hair, and then I'm going to section off 2 small pieces like right at the top of my head, because these are going to be like the 2 little braids that you guys saw left out. And I actually saw this style on TikTok. Someone did it but she had longer hair, so I wanted to see how it was gonna look in my hair. I think it turned out pretty cute, and I always see really cute natural hairstyles on TikTok, but like people's natural hair are always so much longer than mine. But honestly, I'm just like kind of over like not doing the styles just because my hair isn't as long. And really, it's not even because my hair isn't long, because I mean it does have nice length to it. It's just that I have a lot of shrinkage, so I'm definitely gonna start experimenting with natural hairstyles more often and just seeing how it looks on my hair, because I'm always like discouraged to try new styles because I'm like, oh, that's not gonna look good in my hair. But I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it. So that was kind of my inspiration for this one. I saw it on someone's hair who was a lot longer than mine, and she also had like a different texture than my hair, but I was like, whatever, like I want to try it, so here we are. So after I finished taking out the pieces from the top, I went ahead and pulled out 2 pieces on the side as well, because I'm also going to be braiding this area. And y'all, please don't mind the bare background. I am currently redoing this room because I want it to be like a nice filming setup with like a nice background. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you have been following along with the journey. But I did clear this room out. I painted that wall in the back. Like, it's been going down. As you can see, I kind of have some stuff set up, but definitely it's going to be a lot more. And the look I'm going for is like a mid-century modern earthy boho kind of theme. So I'm really excited to see how it all comes together. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair, and I'm using this buttercream from TGIN. This is currently my favorite moisturizer. Next, I'm going in with their styling gel, and I love this gel. It's a really nice lightweight gel for when you're doing like little styles like this. It keeps your hair intact without weighing it down. Next, I'm just going to be brushing my hair into a ponytail, because I am going to be using my drawstring ponytail for this style. And if you know, you know, I've had that ponytail for like 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead, put my hair in this ponytail, and then I'm going to put it in a bun, and then I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to install the ponytail. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my ponytail. And again, I have had this ponytail for 2 years, y'all, and she is still intact. I can always count on this ponytail, and the hair has definitely lasted me. I absolutely love it. And this is a 3B3C kinky curly ponytail from BetterLength, and it's in 16 inches. If you guys would like more information on this hair, definitely check my description box. Plus, I'll have a code. I highly recommend checking them out. So after I went ahead and put the ponytail on, I just pulled the drawstring to make it tight, and I'm taking out a piece of hair and I'm going to wrap that around the base just to hide the string and the base of the ponytail. And to define the curls, I'm actually going to be using this new product that has been going viral from Mish Beauty, and it is the Tropical Oasis gel. Now I have to say, I was definitely impressed with this gel. I love the texture of it. It's different from any gel I've ever used. It had like a slippery jelly-like consistency, which these curls absolutely loved, and it was a nice hold. It didn't make the curls crunchy or anything. They lasted throughout the day, and the gel smells really good. But if you'd like a more in-depth review of the gel, definitely follow me on TikTok and check out my review. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish defining the curls, and then I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to put in the claw clip. Alright, so now I'm gonna put in the claw clip, and this has been one of my go-to styles whenever I wear this ponytail, and I specifically have to use this clip because it's the only one that fits around it. But basically I just flip the hair up, and then I apply the clip a little upwards, like over where the base of the ponytail is, and after that I just finger coil the hair. And I'm also gonna do the same thing to the sides of my hair and the top, and I'm also going to put braids in those areas. Alright y'all, and here's how the style turned out. I think it looks so cute. It's perfect for like the spring, summertime, and this only took me about 20 minutes to do. It's really easy and quick, and this is your sign to start trying out styles. Even if you feel like it wouldn't look good on your hair, just try it out because you never know how it's going to turn out. I absolutely love how this looks. Also, if you guys are interested in this ponytail, again, it is from BetterLength, and this is their 3B 3C kinky curly ponytail in 16 inches. I've had mine for 2 years now, and it still looks brand new. I'm obsessed with it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.